Good evening, children. Let me start again with video number 60 and page number 70, Act 2, Scene 2. Now, here, Loncello, father in, I cannot get a service, no, I have never a tongue in my hand. Father, let's go in. And you said, I cannot get a service. I cannot get a service, and no, I have never a tongue in my head, and I cannot express for myself. Father, come along. You said that I cannot get a service, and I am unable to express myself. Now, well, looking on his palm, no man in Italy have such a fortunate palm which offer to swear upon a holy book. I shall have good fortune here. He says he will have a good fortune looking at the palm. Go to here a simple line of life. See, here a simple line of life. Here a small trifle of wives, unimportant line of wives. Unimportant line of wives. Alas, 15 wives. He say he will have 15 wives, and that is enough. Okay, 11 widows and 9 maids in simple man coming in for one man. He is going to have 11 widows and 9 maids for one man. Then to escape drowning thrice, and these wives will save him from drowning thrice, from falling over the feather bed. See, and to be in a peril, danger of my life with the edge of a feather bed. Here are simple escapes. These wives will help save him from drowning thrice from the feather bed. Actually, it means that these wives will bring dowry with them and save him from financial strains. Well, if fortune be a man, be woman, she is good wrench for this gear. If fortune is a woman, and it means she is blessing him too much. Father, come, I will take my leave of the Jew in the blinking of an eye. Okay, so I shall take my leave from the Jew in a short while. Are you clear, beta? Loncello is telling his father that he said to him once that he could not get a service, and moreover he could not talk about himself. But see, by looking on his palm, he said, no man in the Italy has such a fortunate palm, which we keep on the holy book. He says he shall have good fortune. He has a simple line of life and one unimportant line of wives, which says that he is going to have 15 wives and 11 widows and 9 maids for one man, and these lines will escape him, save him from drowning thrice, from the danger of his life with the edge of a feather bed. Whenever he falls from the feather bed, these wives will save him. Actually, it means here these wives will bring dowry with them and save him from financial problems. Well, if fortune is a woman, then she is very good with Loncello. Father, come, I will take my leave of the Jew in the blinking of an eye. And then these two exit from the scene. Then come here. I pray thee, good Bassanio says, I pray thee, good Leonardo, think on this. These things be bought and orderly bestowed. Okay, I request you, Leonardo, think about this. When you have bought it, and pack them properly, come back quickly. Return in haste, for I do feast tonight. My best esteemed acquaintance, hi thee. Okay, for I am giving a dinner tonight. Let's give it a feast tonight. Dinner tonight to my intimate friend. Please hurry up. Leonardo, my best endeavor shall be done herein. I shall do my best in this matter. Enter Grishanio. Who has entered here? Grishanio, and we know he talks a lot. Grishanio, where is your master? Yonder, sir, he walks. He's walking over there, sir. Senior Bassanio, I have a suit to you. Now Bassanio requests to Bassanio, you have obtained it before telling it. Bassanio, you must not deny me. I must go with you to Balmont. Bassanio is planning to go to Balmont. Okay, and Bassanio also wants to go to Balmont along with Bassanio. Why then you must but hear thee, Bassanio, thou art too wild, too rude and bold of voice. Bassanio tells Bassanio that he is very wild, rude and bold. Parts that become thee happily enough, and in such eyes as ours appear not false. Okay, people, those who know you, for in their eyes you are all fine. But there where you are not known, these things will look so rough. So again here, why then you must but hear the Bassanio, then you will accompany me, okay? But here Bassanio, you are too wild. Wild means uncontrollable, rude and bold, very rough, blunt. Such things part of that become the happily enough. Okay, here such things are tolerated here. These things are tolerated here because, and in such eyes as are appears not fault. Okay, because with the friends like us, they are considered not faults, not faults. But where thou art not so known, where you are not known, okay, they appear as faults. So now I request you, it's given here, pray thee, I request you, take pain to allay with some cold drops of modesty. Be modest there, and skip thy skipping spirit less through thy wild behavior. Okay, so Bassanio requests him to control his wild spirits. Okay, may otherwise it may be understood in the place where he is going, and it could shatter his hopes also. Again, beta, why then you must, you can accompany me, but here Bassanio, you are too rough, rude and bold. Parts that become thee are happy enough. Such things are tolerated here, and in such eyes as ours among the friends. These things are not faults among the friends, but where you are not known, why thy there they show something too liberal, and where you are not known, these things will look so rude and rough. Okay, so I request you, pray you, take pain to allay with some cold drops of modesty. Try to be very modest, thy skipping spirit lest thou their wild behavior. I request you to control your wild spirits, okay, and by putting up a modest temper, otherwise your wild behavior may be misunderstood in the place where I go, and it can spoil my hopes also, because he's going to Balmain to marry Portia, woo Portia. Bassanio, senior Bassanio, hear me. If I do not put on a sober habit, if I do not behave properly, talk with respect, wear but now and then wear prayer books in my pocket. Okay, Lord Bassanio, hear me. If I do not behave modestly, talk with politeness, swear rarely, and carry a prayer book in my pocket, look modest in my outlooks, do not trust me again. It's given here, na? Do not trust me again. While Grace is saying, put mine eyes. Senior Bassanio, hear me. If I do not put a sober look, talk with respect, swear now and then, and carry my prayer books in my pocket, look demurely. If I do not look modest in my outlook, say more while Grace is saying, and say Amen when prayer is going. Do not trust me again. Do not trust me again.